You guys tell me in the comments below, are you a C7 guy or gal, or are you a C8 guy or gal? Which one interests you the most? Hello everyone, and welcome back to Brink of Speed. My name is Mike, and today I am at the Bowling Green plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The Bowling Green Corvette plant. And today we have a unique scenario here. As you can see, we have a C7 Grand Sport sitting next to a Z51 C8 Corvette. And so what I'm going to do today is just walk around both of these, talk about both of these, and let you guys see the differences that you will see. Here we have a Long Beach red C8 Corvette, and it's a Z51 package. And over here we have a black C7 Grand Sport. Both of these cars obviously are gorgeous, and I'm a huge fan of both of them. But which one do you like better? Now, take this for what it's worth. The Grand Sport is absolutely filthy. Obviously, they've had bad weather here, and it has not been cleaned since. But it's still got the gorgeous lines of the C7. And this Long Beach red has the gorgeous lines of the C8. And there's something really unique about this one. It actually has the Long Beach red interior. So as you can see, you look at the paint, you look at the interior, they match perfectly. I didn't think that would look good, but it looks excellent. And it tells me that this is a 3LT package because the dash up here is not black. On a 2LT, the dash is black. Now, someone from inside just started this car, so we're going to listen to the exhaust a little bit. So I need to say thank you to whoever did that while I was standing near the car. Anyway, they went with the Trident spoke wheels. They are a two-tone machined and then like a pewter gray type wheel. Absolutely gorgeous. As far as the C7 Grand Sport, the wheels are the standard Grand Sport wheels, and they are chrome, as you can see. We've got body colored vents on this Grand Sport. And other than that, there's not really anything particularly special about it as far as the exterior. Let's see, it's very dark inside, tinted very well. I can't tell if this is a 3LT. It's definitely a 2LT. It's got the cameras on the front there. But anyway, it's got the stage 1 front splitter, stage 2 side skirts, stage 1 rear spoiler. Yeah, so you guys tell me in the comments below, are you a C7 guy or gal, or are you a C8 guy or gal? Which one interests you the most? Now, if we walk up here a little closer to this absolutely gorgeous torch red, which, by the way, which would you rather have? Long Beach red or torch red? I would much rather have the torch red. This is a Z51. It is a 2LT, red seats with the black dash, and actually this has carbon fiber in it, which is really nice, absolutely beautiful. It also has the carbon fiber roof, which I'm a big fan of. Huge fan of. Now here's a great way to see if the older vets have stood up to the test of time. And I'm sure you understand what I'm saying while seeing this C6 sit next to this C8. So 2-generation gap. This is just a base model C6. Actually, I take that back. This may be a Z51. It does have the drilled rotors. So I may have spoke wrong. That may be a Z51 C6. But look at that next to that and tell me which one you like better. Now I know there's probably some people out there that are going to say the C6, but man, I don't know how you can say that when you look at this absolutely gorgeous C8. And by the way, this is a Z51 with a 3LT package, and they went with two-tone black and red seats. It doesn't get much prettier than that. They've got the red calipers with the black and red seats and the red seat belts. Look at that interior. That is just a thing of beauty. I love the red accents on the dash, the red stitching. I mean, I don't see how you can get much prettier than that car right there. Now, it is black, so it's going to be a job all by itself to keep this thing clean, like I've always talked about when we talk about black cars. But man, that thing is gorgeous. Absolutely phenomenal and gorgeous. Let's see if we can get a view over here. Yeah, that's Alcantara suede right there in the middle of those seats. And just beauty. Now, it's crazy that we've got a black and a white sitting right next to each other on opposite ends of the spectrum. So we have a 2LT, and it's white, and it has the natural interior, but the black dash. So I really love that. That is a good look, in my opinion. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. The two-tone mirrors, which I'm a fan of. Carbon flash on the bottom, white on the top, carbon flash on the side. I'm digging that big time. Now, I don't know about the natural interior in a white car, but it doesn't look bad. That is for sure. It definitely doesn't look bad. I mean, every bit of that car is just gorgeous. Now, this is awesome. This has stage 3 aero all the way around. So you've got the huge front splitter, the side canards, the stage 3 skirt, the stage 3 wing with the wicker bill, and an absolutely beautiful Z06. Now let's look on the inside and see what trim package this one is. I believe that is a 3LZ with the normal sport seats, not the competition. Now, here's a good question for you. Which one would you rather have? The C7 Z06 with 650 horsepower. And by the way, that's a Z07 package with those big, huge ceramic brakes. Or would you rather have the C8 Z51 with 495 horsepower and all the new technology? This is a great comparison, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, we're comparing my car to my new car. And so this is exciting. I love that they have these parked next to each other. I love that GM employees own these cars. It's great. There goes the Grand Sport. But yeah, you've already seen what this white one is all about. We've got a 2LT, black dash, natural seats. We've got carbon flash on the bottom of the mirror, white on the top, the regular 5-spoke Stingray wheels, and then we've got a fully loaded 3LZ Z07 Z06. And it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's been great showing you the C7 versus the C8, the C6 versus the C8. So again, let me know in the comments below which one you would choose, the C6, C7, or C8. You know what I choose?